好，今日係3月28號星期五，今日港股開始上升，恒生指數升94點，國企指數升31點，科技指數升16點，阿里巴巴升1.46%，匯豐升0.78%，京東升2%，騰訊升0.5%，但係小米就跌1.35%。咁啊，蔚來宣布集資就股價跌4.1%，消費股升，李寧升3.5%，農夫山泉升2.6%，開始升幅最大嘅藍籌。咁啊，中芯國際跌2.3%，跌幅最大嘅藍籌。咁啊，開始之後升幅擴大到100幾點啊，咁啊，但係跟住咧就急挫。主要係小米同埋美團下跌，恒生指數跌200幾點，小米跌3.2%，美團跌1.8%，中芯國際跌3.8%，華虹半導體跌3.6%，上海復旦跌4.6%，汽車股都跌，蔚來跌7.8%，理想跌2.7%，吉利跌2%。咁啊，上晝收市恒生指數咧係跌210點。科技指數跌96點，科技指數跌94點，成交1317億元。下週跌幅擴大到300幾點，最低跌到23254，跌324點。但係咧下午中段咧跌幅收窄200點，就恒生指數只係跌100點。美團跌1.16%，東芯跌4.1%，小米跌1.1%，港交所跌1%，但係阿里巴巴升1%啊。咁就手機設備股跌啦，舜宇光學跌2.9%，瑞聲跌3.2%，高偉電子跌4.5%，機械人股都跌，粵江跌3.75%，地平線跌5.1%，有必算跌2.8%。咁啊，黃金股升啊，紫金升1.23%，山東黃金升3.5%，招金升2%，靈寶黃金升15%，同埋銅價上升，江西銅升5.6%。醫藥股升，開心製藥升5.87%，石藥升2.8%。咁啊，收市恒生指數跌152點，國企指數跌71點，科技指數跌82點，成交2296億元。Hi everyone, today's March 28th, Friday. The market opened higher this morning. Hang Seng Index opened up 94 points, Exchange Index up 31, and Tech Index up 16 points. Alibaba rose 1.46%, HSBC rose 0.78%, JD rose 2%, but Xiaomi lost 1.35% and Sinopec lost 2%. NIO announced placement lost 4.1%, and consumption stocks rose. Li Ling rose 3.5%, and Longfu Spring rose 2.6%. But semiconductor stocks fell. SMIC lost 2.3%. Then the market turned from gain to loss, and Hang Seng Index lost more than 200 points. Hang Seng Index closed the morning down 210 points. Exchange Index down 96 points, and Tech Index down 94 points. Turnover was $131.7 billion. The market fell further in early afternoon. Hang Seng Index fell to a low of 23,254, down 324 points. However, the market recovered in mid-afternoon. Hang Seng Index lost more than 100 points. Meituan lost 1.1%, SMIC lost 4.1%, Xiaomi lost 1.1%, and Hong Kong exchanges lost 1%. On the other hand, Alibaba rose 1%. Handset suppliers fell. Sunny Optical lost 2.9%, AAC lost 3.2%, Carwell lost 4.5%. Robot shares fell. Dobot lost 3.7%, Horizon lost 5.1%. And consumption stocks also fell. Higher Smart Home lost 6.5%, Haidilao lost 4.3%, CLB lost 2.1%. Jiangxi Tong rose 5.6%, higher gold prices. Zijin rose 1.23%, SD Gold rose 3.5%, and Lingbao Gold rose 15.7%. Pharmaceutical stocks rose. Hansock Pharmaceutical rose 5.87%. CSPC rose 2.85%. Hang Seng Index closed the day down 152 points, and Tech Index and Exchange Index down 71 points, and Tech Index down 82 points. Turnover was $229.6 billion. Technology stocks fell to drag down the market.